think your thigh is crooked.
And again, I bring it up short. Here. I'll explain that as we go along. Okay. If it's not in the flat very well, you might shake it a little bit and get it flat. And I can grab hold of it like this. He's going to refold like crazy. Okay. Now, he's going to do the first triangular fold there. And like that. Always starting with the left hand. Start with the left hand. And when he now folds it over, he's going to fold it on itself, the white area right there, so that it starts out a little bit small, a little bit short. Doc can tip that out. You get straight across there. That should be good. Okay. See, we're very tricky with each other. I don't do something exactly like so now he keeps going diagonally squared, diagonally squared.
So well, we've watched the best of the best. A lot of times we'll go like this here.
He may do a little
Okay, we'll go
ceremonial thing.
go like this here. Make sure that it's like this here. And go like this, and then go like this.
The secret is starting off with a very tight
Go up here.
fold and make sure
Tight.
every fold is very tight,
Tight and flat.
and that way it turns out flat.
Take your time. Take your time.
You gotta make sure it's up here to the glass.
When you get to that point of the field, you want this point in between the star and the stripes, right there. With it right there, in there, when he gets up here, there's going to be enough tab here for me to stuff it. Okay? So he keeps coming up this way. And as he gets up here into the blue, he wants to be trying to hide as much of the red and the white inside the blue. Because when it's finished, you should not be able to see any of the stripes of white or red on any of the corners. And that's why this is sticking out here. You'll be okay. It's okay. Okay. Now, you can see how I've got the red hidden back here, and there's not going to be any red showing there. And I bring, okay, hold it in the flat. Okay. I'm going to bring this corner up underneath the flag right there. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here. This up here like that. And I'm going to bring this up nice and tight here, and with my right hand in the middle, roll it, roll it, roll it in like that. You're watching here, hang on to it, and bringing this up nice and tight. And if you have a lot of tab like that, that when you get up here, you want to roll that tab around the edge up here. You got to man-handle it. You got to fight with it. He's got to hold on to it. Because if you do it right, it's work. So. When we're done,
Okay, now
slow down. Okay. I put a hand here, put a hand here, then he backs off, and I bring it up, and I check. I check the corners. Make sure that they're nice and pointy, straight. Even look and make sure there's no red showing. Pull it, pull it, pull it. And then I'll put it on my chest. Put right hand here. Left hand is always on top. Whenever you do anything, left hand is always on top of the right hand. And I squeeze it and compress it. That way it's nice and tight. And I present it to him. He salutes.
Okay, now if our
I take
channel,
a step back away.